Hey everyone, welcome back to Coursing. Today I am going to show you how to set up your React project using Vite, the super fast and modern alternative to create React app. Whether you are just starting out or switching from Webpack, this setup will make your dev life so much easier. Let's start to make a setup. And to run the JavaScript application, you need a Node.js environment. If you don't have in your machine, just go to the browser and type Node.js and open the first link and it will open the Node.js official website. Here you can download the Node.js. LTS is a long-term support version, so we can download the 22.14 version. Click on the download button and it will download and click on the downloaded file and follow the steps. It will install the Node.js. In my machine, I already have the Node.js. So go to the command prompt and type node-version and I can see the version of 22.14, the latest LTS supported version, and also we can check the npm version. Now we have the Node.js environment. Now we can create a new React application with the Vite. So that go to a browser and type React Vite and click on the first link. It will open the official Vite site. In this screen, you can see some overview about the Vite. In the previous video, we already discussed on this. Provided video link on the description. You can watch that after this video. Vite is supporting for both the JavaScript and TypeScript and also for the different libraries like Vue and React.js. Copy the script. This script is for Vue.js. We can modify this in the command prompt and paste this here and change Vue into React. Yes, and the project has been created. Now we can navigate into our project and we can do npm install and then we can run the dev server. Hope you have the VS Code editor. So I'm just opening my code in the VS Code. Yeah, the dev server is up and that is loading in the port number 5173. In the browser, you can see the React with Vite application. Now we can look on the folder structure of the new Vite application. First, we can see the white.config.js. This will have all the white configurations. For now, it has a default configuration and configured with the React application. We can add various plugins as per the requirement. Package.json will have all the metadata of the project and also having some scripts and dependency detail and dev dependency details are all in the package.json, and in the package.log.json will hold all the information about the packages. This index.html is a shell for your app, and here in the id root the application will load. We can have all the react app codes inside the source folder with extensions like jsx and css. For now we removed all the default codes in the app.js, and we added some static text. Yeah, now we are able to see the changes what we made in the code, right? From the next video, we are going to learn each and every topic in the React.js with example with the help of this project. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below.